Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Turn off and unplug the console, then remove all cables and discs. Work on a clean table with an anti-static mat and good lighting. Remove the faceplate, hard drive, and top shell using a T8 screwdriver and plastic pry tools. Keep screws organized by size and location in labeled containers. Photograph steps to help reassembly later. Do not touch the motherboard or heat sink surfaces during painting preparation. Sand plastic shells with 400 grit sandpaper to remove gloss and scratches. Follow with 800 grit for a smooth, even surface that holds primer. Clean all parts with 90% isopropyl alcohol and allow surfaces to dry for 15 minutes. Use 3M painter's tape to mask vents, ports, buttons, and internal edges precisely. Cover delicate areas with low-tack film and avoid adhesive on seams that mate during reassembly. Apply one even coat of plastic primer across all painted surfaces and let cure for 30 minutes. Spray 2 to 3 light color coats using steady passes, keeping 8 to 10 inches distance from the shell. Allow 10 to 15 minutes drying time between each light coat to prevent runs. Apply 1 or 2 thin clear coats for protection and shine, then let parts cure for 24 hours at room temperature. Reassemble the console, carefully using your reference photos, and test before closing.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.